Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to use the Tinder app, the world's most popular dating platform. In this video, we'll take you through the essential steps to get started on your dating journey. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install the Tinder app from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, open the app to begin the registration process. Step 2. Sign up for an account. You can choose to sign up with your Facebook account or your phone number. Follow the prompts and provide the necessary information to create your profile. Step 3. Create an appealing profile. Choose a profile picture that represents you well and catches attention. Avoid group photos and make sure your picture is clear and engaging. Add a short and interesting bio that showcases your personality and interests. Step 4. Get ready to swipe. Tinder uses a swiping system to connect you with potential matches. Swipe right if you're interested in someone and left if you're not. Remember, it's a numbers game, so be open to exploring different profiles. Step 5. It's a match. When someone you've swiped right on also swipes right on your profile, it's a match. Now it's time to start a conversation. Be genuine, respectful, and creative in your messages. Stand out from the crowd by showing genuine interest in the other person. Step 6. Prioritize safety. While meeting new people on Tinder can be exciting, it's important to stay safe. Avoid sharing personal information too quickly and trust your instincts. Always meet in public places and let a friend or family member know about your plans. Step 7. Enhance your experience with premium features. Tinder offers additional features like Boost, which increases your profile's visibility, and Passport, which allows you to connect with people from different locations. Consider these options if you want to maximize your chances of finding a connection. Remember, it's not just about swiping and matching. Engage in conversations, be yourself, and have fun while using the app. Dating is a journey, and Tinder can be a great tool to meet new people and potentially find love. Lastly, don't forget to regularly update your profile, add new photos, revise your bio, and keep your information fresh. This will increase your chances of attracting the right kind of matches. And there you have it. With these steps and tips, you're now equipped to make the most out of the Tinder app. Enjoy the experience. Be open to possibilities, and who knows, you might just find someone special. Thank you for watching our beginner's guide on how to use the Tinder app. We hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dating tips and tricks. Happy swiping!